In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish product on Payhip. If you want to start selling a digital item through Payhip, the process is very straightforward once you know where everything is. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can get your product listed and ready to go without confusion. To begin, go to your Payhip dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your store, products, and other settings. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct account and that everything is loaded properly before moving on. From the dashboard, click on Products. This section is where all of your existing items are stored, and it's also where you can create new ones. If this is your first time adding something, the page may look fairly empty, and that's completely normal. Next, click on Add New Product. This is the option that starts the product creation process. Payhip offers different kinds of products, so at this stage, you'll be choosing what type of item you want to publish. When the product options appear, click on Digital Product. This is the correct choice if you're selling something downloadable, such as an ebook, template, course file, printable, audio file, or any other digital resource. Choosing the right product type here is important because it affects how your item will be delivered to customers after purchase. After that, add the details for your product. This is the most important part of the setup because it's what customers will see before they decide to buy. Make sure your product title is clear and specific, and write a description that explains exactly what the buyer will receive. You'll also want to include the price and upload the digital file or files connected to the product. If applicable, check that your product image, category, and any other relevant information are accurate and polished. Taking a little extra time here can make your listing look much more professional and easier for customers to trust. Once everything has been filled out and reviewed, click Add Product. This will create the product in your Payhip store and make it available based on your store settings. Before you leave the page, it's a good idea to double check the final listing to make sure all details appear correctly and that nothing was missed during setup. And that's it. You've now gone through the full process of publishing a product on Payhip. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll be able to create and publish digital products quickly and confidently.